Synchrony Bank Guitar Center Review, Honest User Experience and Insights. Looking for a store credit card for music gear? The Guitar Center card from Synchrony Bank promises benefits for musicians and shoppers. Here's my honest experience. Most people get this wrong, thinking it's just a standard retail card. The surprising truth is it offers promotional financing options and rewards tailored for frequent music buyers. Applying was simple. Online approval took just a few minutes, and I received the card shortly after. The online dashboard is user-friendly, showing balances, due dates, and financing offers clearly. One key feature is promotional financing. Many purchases overqualify for 6 to 24 months of no-interest financing, as long as payments are made on time. This is ideal for expensive instruments or studio gear. I used it to purchase a guitar, and the payment plan was smooth and transparent. Rewards are straightforward. You earn points on purchases that can be redeemed for discounts at Guitar Center or music and art stores. While the rate isn't huge, it adds value if you shop frequently. Customer service is responsive, and I found representatives knowledgeable about both billing and financing questions. Mobile access is solid, allowing on-the-go payments and monitoring. The main drawback is high interest if promotional financing isn't paid off in time. Late payments can trigger retroactive interest, so discipline is key. In conclusion, the Synchrony Bank Guitar Center card is worth it for musicians who regularly buy instruments or gear. The no-interest financing and rewards make it convenient, but staying on top of payments is essential to avoid high interest. For serious music shoppers, it's a practical tool to manage expenses and invest in your craft.